This 2022 Forest River Cherokee 264 DBH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Greencastle, Pennsylvania, 17225 and is offered for sale by Keystone RV MEGA Center. This new Forest River is 33 feet 2 inches in length and features one slide-out, a SEQUOIA interior, sleeps 10, refrigerator, oven, skylight, smoke detector, slide-out, LP detector, auxiliary battery, microwave, Colorado detector, water heater, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Cherokee 264 DBH is 6,760 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Keystone RV MEGA Center, visit RVUSA.com.